Hi, this video is from interview.com. Interview.com is a job portal. If you're looking for a job, you can post your resume with us. In this video, I'm going to talk about 6 basic Java interview questions, and these are important. And I'm going to give in a short answers. Can we declare an interface method static? No, we'll be getting a compilation error. So if you try to add static modifier to an interface method, it will say you'll be getting a compilation error. It will say only public and abstract are permitted. Please remember, static modifier is applied for the methods that deal at the class level. So static means at the class level, whereas interface concept deals with the instances, that is object level. So the moment you try to have static modifier for an interface method, you will be getting a compilation error. Can an interface be final? No, interface is meant for extensions, such that a class should implement an interface. So only public and abstract are permitted. Can we define private protected modifiers with variables in interface? No, they are implicitly public and abstract. So you have variables inside the interfaces. So can we mark those variables within the interface as private and protected? No, that is not possible, because whenever interfaces should be public, because these variables should be accessed outside the interface, so they need to be public and abstract. What is a static import? By static import, we can access static members of a class directly without prefixing it with a class name. So static import is useful. You don't have to use the class name every time in your class name every time within your class. So you can use static import for that purpose. Say for example, there are three variables that you want to access from a different class, and those variables are static variables. Every time you don't have to use the class name to access those variables. You can do a static import and directly you can use that. What is the base class for error and exceptions? Throwable is the base class for error and exceptions, and you can catch any of these: throwable, error and exception. There is no problem in that. What is the difference between string buffer and string builder? String buffer is synchronized, whereas string builder is not. So if you want to have thread safety, you can go ahead and use string buffer, because it is synchronized and it can handle thread safety. Hope these questions are useful. Thank you and all the best.